Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel again. Thank you so much for watching the videos that I've been posting so far. Thank you for coming back again, and thank you for liking and sharing and commenting on my posts. I do love that. Thank you so much. Today I'll be showing you how to brine your turkey for maximum juiciness. If you want a juicy flavor packed turkey, this is a step you should not skip. The difference between a brine turkey and an unbrined one is very clear. I'm telling you, once you try this, you won't go back. Now let's get right into it. First, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add into the water, add some salt and brown sugar, and then your seasoning powder. You want to stir it until everything dissolves, okay? Next, add bay leaves, black peppercorns, and mixed herbs. Here I'm using rosemary, thyme, sage, parsley, and oregano. To be honest, you can use whatever herbs you've got available, okay? Now go on to add garlic and onion. Follow up with citrus. I'm using orange and apple. And finally, add some cinnamon. So I'm using just one stick here. Stir everything well and cover the pot and bring it to a full boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to infuse properly, okay? After simmering, transfer the brine into a larger container that can fit your turkey. So you might as well check the container that can fit your turkey before you start this, okay? Allow it to cool completely before adding the turkey. This is very important. You can even go on to add ice to it to bring it back to room temperature. But if you've got time, just allow it to cool. If not, go on to add some ice to it and let it cool. While the brine is cooling, let's prepare the turkey. Now open the turkey and clean it thoroughly. Wash it with salt, warm water, and lemon. You need to scrub the skin and the cavity properly to remove the slime and all those residues. Remove everything inside the cavity and trim off excess fat. Check for any remaining feathers and clean that properly. Once cleaned, set the turkey aside. Now place the turkey into the cooled brine and make sure that it is fully submerged. You need to place the breast side facing down as this is the thickest part of the turkey. So let everything go in, soak it properly, okay? Then cover the container tightly. You can keep this in the fridge if you have space, but if you don't, it can stay outside. Only if the weather is very cold, like this time of the year, the weather is very cold. And if the temperature outside is below the fridge temperature, it can stay outside. For a turkey of this size, this one is about 6 to 7 kg. You could brine it for like 12 to 24 hours. So I'm going to be leaving mine for 24 hours because it's quite large. And that's it for brining. The next step will be marinating and roasting the turkey. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Do take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.